I have been born into this family, so right from the childhood, music and dance has been a part of my life. So from very young age, whenever our Guruji, that is my father, he used to take classes and all, I was with him. I have imbibed all the, what to say, music and dance, both the forms, and he gave us lots of opportunities to learn it from very competent teachers and gurus. So it is a part of the life now. So without music and dance, we cannot live. That is become our routine every day.
I was into pharma industry, to be very frank with you, marketing side, pharma industry. But music forced me to leave that job and enter here. Till 97, I was keeping music as my part-time job. I was fully into marketing side of pharma products. And I couldn't adjust the timing according to my music activities and all. So situation forced me to resign that job. And I came out and I'm of my own here with heading the music faculty of Kalasavan. Is of course started by my uncle and father-in-law. So till then, I'm very happy teaching my children here, students, and performance also. I'm part of our performance, public performance, music.
There are 7 styles of classical dance of our country, and there are 2 main basic systems of music. And among the 7 styles of dance, we are specialized into Bharatanatyam, which is supposed to have come from Tamil Nadu and which has become quite popular due to various factors also. And so we are specialized in Bharatanatyam. And as far as music is concerned, there is the North Indian music, that is Hindustani music, and South Indian music called Carnatic music, and we are propagating Carnatic music, yeah, South Indian style. See, the highest form of art is the most religious, and India is the most religious country in the world. So once you pursue any form of India's art, it is divine and dignified, which we personally feel is not there in all other art forms. Though they have their own plus points and these things are there, but that is one identity which keeps our art forms different from the others. So that divinity is there in our art form. Nowadays, media, everywhere the presentations are totally Western and filmy and all. Whether it is any form of film, dance or music, the base is the classical this thing. So in fact, many of the people, even the choreographers and all, they say, if you want to come into a film dance, go and learn some classical style and then come, it will help you. So that is one thing. And in our experience, we have found that in not the present contemporary films what are being produced and released, but in olden times there have been very good film directors and producers who have in their films tried to propagate classical dance and music also, and they had such dancing stars like Vaijayanthimala, Padmini, Asha Parekh and all, who are equally good in classical dance as well as in acting prowess. So there have been so many song numbers which have been classical, but now times have changed.
art is a lifestyle more than a profession.
Certainly. And
It's a way of life.
way of life. And even in we have got about 10 centers in Mumbai. Every center we have one or two students who are really economically backward, and we have told them don't have to bother about the fees. That much we are doing. Apart from this, that service also we have been doing that. In all centers, almost one or two will be there.
So instead of money,
Yeah.
what you're asking from them is their passion.
Yes, that's what we do.
You ask them to give their time.
Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, because every individual has got some potential. Each individual will be having some this thing. It's God's creation like that. What I don't have, you may have. It's like
You're
that.
trying to say that everyone has a talent, but nobody
Yes,
gives
certain.
the time to
Yeah, exactly that. One should identify his own or her own talent and try to specialize on that. You will come. You will definitely succeed. Don't try to commercialize that, but have devotion, patience, do your work silently. One day you will succeed, you will achieve more than the expectation. Beyond your this thing you will go. This message I am giving to all my juniors.